what happens if the chamber can't cool fast enough or if the temperature overshoots? Wouldn't that compromise the test?
That's why equipment selection is so important. When choosing an environmental chamber, don't focus only on whether it can reach -40 degrees Celsius. Pay close attention to temperature overshoot. Although the national standard allows plus or -3 degrees Celsius, synchronized battery testing typically requires overshoot within plus or -1 degree Celsius. The second consideration is cooling capacity under load. During charging and discharging, batteries generate their own heat. For example, a 1C discharge may increase cell temperature by around 10 degrees Celsius. The chamber must remove that heat immediately to maintain the programmed temperature. This capability is known as temperature compensation. Finally, airflow management is equally important. Too much airflow during temperature transitions may cause condensation on the battery surface. Too little airflow reduces temperature uniformity. That's why variable speed airflow control has become a standard requirement.